Alright, so before we begin this video, thank you so much for Coventry MOT Centre for letting us use their base. If you ever need any servicing, repair, tires, brakes, you name it, they got the whole shebang, and do check these guys out. Thank you so much for my dad as well. He's been the backbone of this channel. It wouldn't be without him, so thank you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get it. This is more for the front aero kit that we're going to put on the front of the vehicle now. And it also comes with double-sided tape. So just in case if you want to put more double-sided tape on, it comes with it. That's the good thing. And then these are for the side, or to make it more aero-ish. There you go. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. But first, let's check this Audi. The first one is so something like that, and the other one like that. What do you think? Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. And I'm gonna leave that one empty so it pops out because I want the red to stand out. So I'm gonna leave the front, the actual front splitters alone, but the side's gonna have its own. So it'll look nice in its own way as well. So yeah, let's get cracking onto that one. Now this is where I'll start installing the double-sided tape to ensure that it has the right fitment for me to stick it on properly on the front grille. Let's get it. There you go. So what I've done right now is I just put double-sided tapes just so it can stick firmly on the actual body itself. And then we're probably going to put 2 final screws so it can stay firmly within the body and not wiggle around. We're going to start off by taking this off. They're very difficult to take just to cover off. Sweet. So let's get this firmly on there now.
You should cut this one.
I think I have to cut it. Because I've got this. What's actually happened was I didn't adjust the part correctly, which you're going to see in a few seconds.
Look, it's blended now with the...
Yeah, it has, yeah. As you can see, the part was correctly aligned, so now everything's in place. So now we are going to put the screws on.
You're going to put a little bit double tape, so it's holding there.
I think, yeah, double tape is better, yeah.
Then you can make the position, then you can make
Look at the double tape.
screw up.
Like here, so it has to be here then.
Just put it on the top there.
Top there. So now we're going to put the double-sided tape on the actual part just to ensure that, you know, we're getting it all nice and fit without getting it wrong the first time. So, shall I put one more here or just one enough?
Put one where your hand is.
Just one here, that's it. Okay, so let's see where this is gonna go now. What do you reckon, here or here? Oh, it's not touching.
Not touching, then bring it down there. Bring it down.
That's the bottom lip for the side skirts. Not side skirts, the front aero splitter. So we just put double-sided tape on, we slapped it on, we already put 1 screw on there. So now it's nice and flush. And now we're going to put the final screw so it can fit on the bodywork properly. There you go. That's a solid. Right, so we're gonna try this little thing or fang, whatever you call it, and try it on the side where we already marked it around here. This already comes on a standard A45, so I'm not trying to replicate it too much, but I do like the idea of these things, but I just want to try and see how it looks with the rest of the kit on the vehicle. So just give me a few seconds while I get this one off. It's just the fact that it's so sticky. Let me try this. No, it's not even coming out. Look at this, look. What is this? We managed to take the double-sided tape off and slap it onto the front bumper just as a side piece example, just to see how it looks like. In my personal opinion, I think it replicates the A45 a bit too much, so I've just taken off for now, but do let me know in the comment section. Now here we're going to do the exact same process as we did for the other side on this side.
That's a really holding.
Oh. And this is the final result. Let's get it. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for my dad for helping out. Thank you so much for MOT Center for letting me use their base. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this post as much as you can, and we're just getting started. I promise this time, I promise.
Yeah, never switch up, that's real. Yeah, money comes slow, but we build. Yeah, luck sell our dreams, that's the deal. Yeah, and just talk, they living proof. Family in the crib, yeah, we bulletproof. Money ain't love, but it helps get through. Luck sell our dreams, that's what I do, yeah.